is the best canvas are these really thick ones. There's two sheets, one's longer than the other one. So I'm gonna put them together so they match. I'm gonna set them right next to the rollers. And to roll this towards yourself makes the rollers go this way. So I'm gonna put it right next to there. I'm just gonna roll it a little bit. Watch your fingers. Then I'll flip up the first sheet. Come on over. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that my slab is tapered up. This is a perfect one. Set it right next to my slab roller. And I'm gonna start it just by pushing it just a little bit, and then I'll put my hand on top to keep the pressure nice and tight. And I'm gonna watch it as I roll. If you have a partner to do this too, it's nice to have them be the roller. I'm gonna keep going until I get all the way through. And then when it rolls freely on its own, I know it's all finished. Over here, flip up the top one. And then before I put it on a board, I'm just gonna rib the top side. Just like this. Now I'm gonna put it on a board. Now I'm gonna rib this side. Now it's good to go.